Good morning, Dr. Matthias. For this learning extension assignment, I did the Vanderbilt University Assessment Modules case studies. The one that I chose is the Classroom Assessment Part 1, Introduction to Monitoring Academic Achievement in the Classroom. So the module took about a little over an hour. There were some warm-up questions which I went through and answered. Then the objectives for the module were displayed on the screen, so I read through those. Some of the instruction of the module focused on differences between year-end testing and progress monitoring, differences between mastery and curriculum-based measurement, and then the module focused more on the curriculum-based assessment. And they gave some steps here for how to do curriculum-based assessment. And then there were some questions throughout the module to answer based on looking at some questions about progress monitoring. So overall, I found the module to be helpful for what I'm currently doing in the classroom because I am doing IEP goal progress monitoring in the science classroom. However, the module focused more on academic goals in spelling, reading, and math, whereas my progress monitoring is focused more on executive functioning or non-academic goals, such as organization, work completion, prioritizing assignments, and behavior. And then something else was that the module focused more on progress monitoring that regular education teachers can do in middle school, elementary school setting, whereas my progress monitoring is more focused on high school related goals. But there were some applications that from this module that I can use in my own progress monitoring. So for example, the module stressed the importance of using visual representations of the data in the form of line graphs. I feel that this is going to be very helpful to what I'm currently doing in my own progress monitoring. I can take the data that I've been collecting every week and make line graphs with that data, so it'll be a lot easier to read. And then what I can do is students who are below target, I can take that information and share that with their case manager so that at their IEP meeting they can, students that are above the target, share that information with their case manager, and they'll be able to come up with a new goal for that student. Students who are below target, well, then I can adjust my own instruction so that they can get back on target. And then students who are already on target, no changes need to be made to the goal or the instruction. So having these graphs is going to be very helpful to share with the student's case manager, as well as being able to share at IEP meetings with the parents. This module hit on this following course learning objective, which was to demonstrate how to locate, evaluate, and select the most valid and reliable instruments to aid in instructional decision making. So the module showed a lot of different resources available for progress monitoring in academic areas. So I found that to be very, very helpful. And then the module also explained the importance of using graphs as a tool to aid in instructional decision making. So in that sense, watching this module really hit on that course learning objective. So then the references here, they provided a reference that I can use. So it was published by the IRIS Center and 2004, Classroom Assessment Part 1. And here's the link to the module. So overall, it was I felt that very helpful, explaining about how to use graphs when I do my progress monitoring, and I will be able to do that in my own setting. So please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.